Hi, I'm Andrea, and I'm an organizer freak. I like to have everything organized, to know where everything is. There's no other way. And don't get me wrong, I used to be that all over the place kind of person. I used to not be organized. I used to have things all over. It took me a long time to understand myself. So in this video, I'm going to share the tips and tricks that are going to not organize your life, but at least organize your makeup so that you can be more productive in the morning, so you could save time, so that it's easier for you and that it's more convenient. And I'll explain everything in today's video. Subscribe, ring bell button, you know the drill. Let's get into it. Now, hi. For those of you who do not know me, I'm a makeup artist living in Paris. For the past 2 years, I've been traveling the world, coming into your houses to help you be more organized with your makeup, to help you pick the right textures, the right products for your skin tone, for your skin type. Sometimes you guys travel to Paris. I do these little sessions, one-on-one sessions. We get to sort out your makeup. That being said, I have quite a lot of experience in terms of seeing what other women's makeup kit looks like. And I'm not talking about like everybody has the same thing, but the majority. When it comes to makeup, you guys keep your makeup in a, not this, but like similar, like a pouch, you know, with the zipper. And when you open, there's everything. Everything. Brushes, Q-tips, makeup wipes, palettes, dirty beauty blenders, more brushes, puffs, a lot of makeup products, sharpener, tweezers, some hairpins, files. Yes, I see this in people's makeup kit. Don't look at me as if I'm like crazy. I've seen this. Can you relate? Just be honest. I am not here to judge you. Again, I'm going to tell you, I'm here to help you, okay? Because this is not how it's supposed to be. Let's get started. First and most important thing is to find the right bag for your makeup. In this kind of bag, at first it feels like, oh my god, everything gets in. I'm just gonna put in there everything because, you know, as long as I put it in here and then I zip it, I'm not gonna see the whole mess inside. No, honey, no, that's not how it works. You need something that has a large opening. Like this. I don't think it's for sale. I received it from Laura Mercier, but you can find similar bags. They don't have to be for makeup. They could be like bags for photography, lunch boxes, you know? Generally, everything that is beauty related costs a little bit more. Go on Amazon, look for boxes. Get the cheapest one. It doesn't have to be fancy. It just needs to have a nice opening so that you can actually see everything laid down. That's number one. Second thing, declutter. Sort your makeup from the accessories. So, brushes, sharpener, tweezer, take them away from your makeup. When you take everything out, you realize that it's not really clean because your beauty blenders and your dirty brushes were there. My god, I'm gonna get so much hate for this. Clean your pouch, whatever you're using. Very important. Not only that's hygienic, also it's very aesthetically very pleasing. Don't tell me you don't love like clean sheets and clean pouches. You love that, don't you? Well, clean it. Third step is to sort the makeup that you have into day makeup and night makeup. It's going to confuse you if you mix the glitters and the metallic greens or the body shimmers with your everyday makeup. Maybe you have like a very artistic kind of job, or maybe you're the kind of person that uses a lot of colors. But if you're more minimalist, more classic with your makeup, it's better if you take everything that you're going to use and put them in here so you could see them. Foundation, primer, concealer, bronzer, lipstick, highlighter, eyebrow product, more eyebrow product, an eyeshadow palette that I know I'm going to be using, a lip gloss, more eyebrow product, another mascara. Okay, that's enough, okay? Everyday makeup. Now, when you're going to open this makeup kit, it's not going to be overwhelming. what am I gonna use today? What lipstick am I gonna wear? It's so much easier. You're gonna be more creative, I promise, and you're gonna feel less stressed. When you see a lot of clutter, you become overwhelmed. I cannot tell you how many times I get to meet women and we look through their kit and sometimes they find a product and like, I completely forgot I had this. Like, I've never used it. It's because you didn't see it. Another thing that I've noticed, you guys buy the same thing over and over again. And I don't mean the same product from the same brand. You buy the same colors from different brands and you're looking for the same textures. One reason is because, you know, you kind of like that type of product and that type of color. But another reason could be the fact that you do not see them. When you actually get to see all your lipstick together, like you get to see all your eyeshadows together, then you have an idea about what you actually need. I guess this step is to make all products be visible. Gonna save you some money, gonna save you some time, and it's just gonna help you breathe in the morning. Now, we talked about where you should put your makeup, but then where should you put your accessories, and especially brushes? Out of the whole makeup kit, the brushes should be, in my opinion, the product that you invest the most in. Good brushes can last you 10, 15 years if you take good care of them. The kind of place where I suggest you to put the brushes, like, I'm just giving you one example. I have this since 2010. I'm so proud because I still use this. This is my personal pouch. On my makeup table, I have them in cases like this because I want to see them. You know, it's easier for me when I film. But when I travel or for my personal use, I just prefer this. This is actually made of leather on the outside, which made it, I think, very durable. The way you store your brushes helps first see them. And I know that a lot of you have a lot of face brushes and like 2 brushes for eyes, but that's another story. I've just used this, but let's just put clean brushes so you understand how pleasing it is to have clean brushes. Let's take this dirty one away. Now, isn't this nice? It is. I knew it. Here's another thing that you could put in here. Your tweezers. If you have a place for your tweezers, you will never lose it. And you always put it back to where you took it from. Eyelash curler. Same. If you use scissors or any other accessory that could work, like for example, I use this a lot for my clients and also for myself. Like, this is a tiny little comb that I come and like separate the lashes. I always make sure that I have this with me and I would put it here. And then I cover this. This gets folded like this. Pretty, elegant, safe, durable, clean. Go on Amazon, get the cheapest thing, and sort your brushes. When it comes to sponges, beauty blenders, powder puffs, use something like a zip plastic bag. I have this. I think it's very practical. I received it probably with a product. Your sharpener can get inside, but you have to make sure that, you know, it doesn't have product in it. Mine has this system. When you actually sharpen your pencil, all the dirt like stays in here, so it's not gonna go everywhere. So I could put this and I've got my accessories. Now I have the solid soap from Beauty Blender, which is the best, but honestly, get the cheapest, but I'm telling you, the cheapest solid soap, and make sure you have it in your Beauty Blender kit, in your accessories kit. Another thing that I recommend, and this is going to sound so cheap, but it's working. If you travel a lot, you know, in hotels, they always give you like those tiny little soaps to wash your hands with. Put that in your kit. It's going to be perfect for your brushes. I promise you. Every single night, as you brush your teeth, this is a good habit. Wash your Beauty Blender, if you use it, of course, or your foundation brush, if you use a foundation brush. Wash it, and then you will have it clean for the next day. This way, you know, when you're in a rush in the morning and you're like, I'm just gonna use it the way it is, you know? I got you. Brush your teeth, wash your beauty blender. You're welcome. Alright, this is it for today's video about organizing. Maybe in the next video I can talk about what your day makeup kit should include. Let me know in the comments if you found a system that is really working for you and that has changed your life, a habit that you're doing in terms of like makeup and beauty that has really changed your life. Make sure you share this video to your mom, your friend, your cousin, your BFF, your colleague, the most messy person in your life, the most organized person in your life. Oh my gosh, she's gonna be so happy that someone else is as crazy as her. Just share it to the world. It could save a life. Thank you. See you in my next one. Bye.